Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by opening the workbook and choosing the worksheet whose background you want to change. Make sure you've saved a copy to preserve the original. Once the sheet is active, go to the Page Layout tab at the top because that's where the background controls live. You don't need to insert images yet. First, confirm orientation and print area so the background aligns correctly when applied. This prevents unexpected cropping and keeps layout stable as you add a picture or color. Now you'll choose whether to use an image or a solid color. Click Page Layout, then Background to insert an image file from your computer or OneDrive. If you prefer a solid color, select the cell range, right-click, choose Format Cells, open the Fill tab, and pick your color. This applies directly to cells rather than the sheet background. Once done, make sure to check how the image tiles or scales. Resize your source image beforehand to avoid heavy tiling or pixelation. Finish by verifying cell readability and print behavior. If the image obscures data, choose a lighter image or reduce opacity in an editor before reapplying. Once you're happy, test Print Preview to ensure the background behaves as expected. Remember, Excel prints backgrounds differently depending on settings. If something goes wrong, delete the background from Page Layout and reapply with corrected image dimensions or color choices. This quickly restores clarity without altering cell content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.